Kublai. From Laitkynsew, we are Enfield Responsible Tourism Fellows. We are fortunate to extend the vision of Sinjuk to establish a community-based rural well-being tourism model which would provide an alternative livelihood opportunity to the communities of the village.
I'm Batam Bolingdo, the founding chairman of Kastenjuk Himalaya Welfare Society, and at the same time playing the role of the CCF and the project director of the Khasi Hills Community Red Plus project. Our Community Red Plus project aims to halt, reverse, and regenerate the forests, the community forests, so that we can also help the local people to not only regenerate the forest but also to uplift the socio-economic condition of the people by reversing and implementing the 27,000 hectares of the community forest land, including the community forest, the clan forest, as well as the sacred groves. The Green Hub Responsible Tourism Fellows, we are working with us to strategize and initiate the community tourism approach through ecotourism.
We are here at Laitkynsew, Himalaya, which in the East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. The state capital Shillong is at a distance of 30 kilometers away from the village, and the nearest town Mojong is at a distance of 2 kilometers. The village is composed of 207 households with a population of 1,200 people, of which 80% follow Niyam Khasi Tindrai and the remaining 20% follow Christianity.
Kababuan hi nakini kinong song gide hi ki barang sane ah karab karyang kabakirab da upan obakirab ha baro sisnem kadon asien hakai kashi asien hakashi ayom kabaki kirab ya upan liur bat upan telang.
Apart from that, a festival called Satsuk Minsan is also celebrated in the month of April for thanksgiving to the Creator for the bountiful harvest.
De ka jingshat hakane ka shat sok menciam ngiju shat lang bat ki kenthai bat kesenrang ki shat pelun ya ki kenthai ki shat apadeng ban peni ba usenrang udai unong yada ya kari bat kajat benril.
Kalabu, te haot season perkat kidai halor kebedai bat kilat yok kam yok jam lada ni kum kinong song minang ban pendon kam. Henry, ba kum kinong song nim ni don buon ki jing khanglat khanglanti hakabang nang ban pendon kam ya jing don jing em chong kame mariang. Nila pendon kam dah kabati mau di siap bat hakajo kaporu ban pendon kam ya uranga hieng ni pendon kam dah kabangi tho ya ki ding ki stage napo ki klau ki tap ki badon hang ne apo senong jongi te kane ke kawanra ya ka jingjulol jong kamariang te ot hakajo kaporu ba nakaliang trong kinong song snong kim don su dak wei pat kilat lenti ki penon kam dak ban pendap penbet penbiang ban penang pestat
and we are also trying very hard to really make people understand and also to to turn the mindset and also to mitigate through people's participation.
We aim to develop a community-based rural well-being tourism model which will support the local community in order to generate a supplementary livelihood opportunity at a grassroots level. We have conducted several meetings with the village community and the village council and the women self-help group and youth to discuss the possibility of alternative livelihood opportunities in the village. The sacred group at Laitkynsew has gone under a transformation from one dense forest to a desolated forest. Eventually, the community protecting the forest and letting it regenerate it and have a set of symbol of compassion for bring back to the loss of its origin. Similarly, a transformational experience to a grow, move forward from struggle by forest work, yet to truly heal and energize and find oneself by letting the forest grow. The sacred group also have a 4 mysterious waterfall, Shait Puri, Shait Yu, Shait Umang and Shait Klong, and having a story in each of them.
A walk at the Laitkynsew village gives an experience of rural lives. It's an opportunity to get inside of the village, ranging from the potato farms, and engage with the farmers to consume the Khasi foods and gets the essence of medicinal plants. To enhance the journey, one can also participate in the silent work at sacred groups to foster a deeper connections with nature.
फन स्टे गांव और सेक्रेट ग्रुप के बीच में बहुत सारा फार्मलैंड्स है जहाँ पे छोटा फार्म हाउस है जहाँ फार्मर्स फार्मिंग करते समय खाना खाने के लिए और रेस्ट करने के लिए यूज़ करता है। हम प्लानिंग किया है कि यहाँ पे फार्म स्टे का इनिशिएट करें जहाँ लोग आके फार्मर का लाइफस्टाइल जीने का एक सुनहरा मौका मिल सकता है और जहाँ फार्मिंग एक्सपीरियंस करते हुए फार्म से डायरेक्ट फ्रेश प्रोडक्ट उठा के खा सकता है। जो लोग अपना हसल लाइफ से जोड़ रहे हैं और सिटी लाइफ में रह के नेचर से डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं, वो लोग यहाँ पे रह के नेचर के साथ एक गहरा संबंध बनाने का मौका मिल सकता है और नेचर का साथ रह के खुद को ज़्यादा टाइम दे के खुद को जानने का एक मौका मिल सकता है। और उसके अलावा राइटर्स, म्यूजिशियंस और एग्रीकल्चर स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे आ सकता है।
While we interacted with the kids of Laitkynsew, they were very much active and approachable, for which we are planning to initiate our nature school, and the school will involve activities like nature walk, and then other activities like music, painting in the nature school.
So I'm very hopeful that this responsible tourism model for the community will bring in many more alternative opportunities, alternative livelihood programs for the people, for the youths, for the women, for the residents of the village. Keeping that in mind, through tourism initiatives, there are plenty of initiatives to offer, like tourist services like food and beverage, accommodation units like homestays, farm stays or campsites even, and the youths can be involved as tour guides and yeah, so on and so forth.
We would be doing renovations of homestay, training programs, documentations, explorer trips, initiate nature school and waste management. We also request volunteer conservations, musician natures, enthusiasts and technical assistance in order to implement the rural well-being tourism model in Laitkynsew village. To support the existing efforts of Sinjuk, we are looking for expert volunteers and other individuals who can assist us in advancing responsible tourism model in Laitkynsew village.